umakit siya? Hindi? Hindi ako pwede umakit, sorry po. Hello. Yeah, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Good evening everyone and thank you for joining us tonight. Of course, we're here to promote our film. Sino manonood ng Meet, Greet, and Buy? Promise ha? Promise ha? Just for your information, yung pelikula po namin is rated G, meaning you can bring your whole family, the whole household, basta ikantado nyo lang yung bahay nyo pag manonood kayo para safe po kayong lahat. So sana po, magustuhan ninyo ang pelikula namin. Pwede ba isang kanta pa? Yeah! Alright, let's go!
Ayan, ganyan kasi natin. Ayan, ganyan mo. PJ!
Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause the rain don't need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to touch you every day. I'll get by. You smile. You can never be too happy in this life. Thank you. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonderful ride. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Do-do-do-do. 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 Let me hear you sing it. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. You get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. Get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away the stains goodbye. Kita ko yan ha? Let me hear you sing it. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much for joining us this evening. Let's go!
Yes! Piolo Pascual! Bilang wala naman si Mama Baby, Mama Milo muna. Ayan.
Hindi mo ginaganyan sa ABS, ha?
Siyempre naiyak ko para dito lang for the show. For the show. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Piolo Pascual.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Of course, bago
Okay.
po natin imbitahan ang ating mga kapamilya, tawagin na rin po natin ang iba
Yes,
pang
please.
mga cast. Kay Estrada, Kauri Oinuma, Joshua Garcia, and of course, Mr. Piolo Pascual. Ayan. Please, ayan. Muli, maraming salamat po sa mga kapamilya po namin. Ayan. KD, Kauri, Joshua. Please, ayan. Simulan